Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to reset DREAME D20 Plus. There are two different types of reset. One of the resets is a network reset, and the other one is factory reset. The network reset should, in theory, sometimes the factory reset also does it. They sometimes do it weirdly, but in most cases, the network reset should basically reset your network only, so you can connect it to a different Wi-Fi or to a different phone or stuff like that, or fix some network connected issues. And the other type, which is factory reset, will also delete all the data, including the map, including all the other kinds of things. And in that case, it's like a little more complex because it resets all your settings and everything. Yeah, it's suitable if you want to sell your robot, give it away, or if you want to fix some deeper issues not necessarily related to network. And now let's try the first reset method. And for that method, all you need to do is press and hold on both buttons on top of the robot at the same time for 3 seconds. So let's do it. It didn't do anything. Okay, let's try again.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Once it says waiting for the network configuration, you can now, your network has been reset and you can connect it to a new phone, new Wi-Fi network, or stuff like that. Just by going to the app and adding a device, right? Now the other method is done with your by opening the lid. So I'll take the robot out of the station, and now once I open the lid, you'll see that there is a button. There's a button right here, and it can be used in order to reset. It's right next to the Wi-Fi diode. So I'll use a sharp tool. It can be a pin, a needle, or anything else that will be able to press the button. You cannot press it with fingers, unless you can, then it's fine. So let's press and hold here until we see some change.
Restoring to factory settings.
Okay, now it says restoring to factory settings, so let's give it a moment. It will take a little moment. After that, it will either turn the robot on automatically, or if it doesn't in, let's say, a minute or two, then try turning it on by pressing and holding on the power button. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.